You ever seen a truckload of 60 pallets in it?
Yeah.
I think this is my first time too, man. We asked the supplier to jam pack this truckload so we can save on shipping. Pretty simple. If you think about it, it makes a lot of sense, right? Because it would cost us the same amount of money to pay for the freight. So if we were shipping 24, 26 pallets versus shipping 30 or 60 pallets, we're still paying the same amount for the freight. It makes a huge difference if you're splitting this up for cost per pallet, since you're taking the same amount, $1,500, divided by 60 pallets, right? So if we ship 24 pallets, our cost to ship each pallet would be $62.50. But since we did $1,500 divided by 60 pallets, our cost to ship each pallet is 25 bucks.
Nice.
Huge difference. On a truck like this, the difference is $37.50 on each pallet, guys, on each pallet. Let's say we decided to ship all these pallets separately, right? So it would usually probably come on 2 truckloads. In theory, we save $2,000, $2,250 saved on shipping. That is a huge difference. That's a make it or break it sometimes on a truckload, right? You buy a truckload trying to make money, you're trying to profit. The rule of thumb is usually double your money, right? If you buy a truckload for $10,000, you would like to get a gross sales of $20,000, right? So something like this, where you're saving $2,000 on shipping, it really gives you that little extra boost in that margin to try and hit that goal. Sometimes you guys have seen, like, when we open our trucks, there's like 24 and a random pallet, or 26 and one random pallet on top, or whatever it might be. We're always trying to just shove stuff in there. So if I'm buying a truckload from somewhere or someone and it's coming from far, far away, I usually just ask, hey man, you got anything like laying around the warehouse? You got any extra little deals that you can maybe throw onto the truck? No, we're gonna be shipping it anyway, so might as well pack it and shove as much stuff as humanly possible in there. But that's just a pro tip of the day by Nice Find for you today. KK's unloading. Let's see what came in. Let's see what we're working with. I mean, these are all double stacks, high piece count blended. This is the 60 pallets that came in. Kamil over here is unloading, and we got 12 already unloaded. But let's see what's inside these. These are supposed to be an FC/LPN blend. High piece count Amazon Gaylords. We brought them in to flip out to the stores around us. This is what came in. I would say, just off the top of my head, I think these are either 38 or 40-inch Gaylords. From the looks of it, they look pretty good. It looks like a solid mix of FC and LPN. You got a couple bigger things. You got some toys. That's always good. That's great for a bin store. You got a bunch of FC product, which is also good because it gets the piece count up. Tofu miso soup. So I think, I'm not sure if that's food or not, but supposed to be no food and no books in these. We'll see how that works out. A little bit of health and beauty, I see. Probiotics. Some sheet protector. No, this, in my opinion, my humble opinion, this is a pretty good looking Gaylord for a bin store. It's just a perfect mix of anything and everything. You got a little bit of fragiles, some sheets. Boxes? How to fold a cardboard box. Nice. Premium key fob cover. Bring a ladder for you guys. The things I do for you guys. The things I do for you. I try to kill myself on this ladder. Let's see what we got. Woo! Nighthawk. There you see it. Hey, these are nice. These are very nice, actually. Not bad at all. Got a nut, cheese board. Not bad at all. Those are some of our mediums, Amazon mediums. But these are all high piece counts. I'm just kind of worried that these are gonna start falling over because these kind of look a little shaky.
So we're here with the 60 pallet load, right? Came on the truck. It was kind of hard to unload. Frank had some difficulty, but you save your money on cost. You have a shit ton of merchandise now, and it's just a different variety, right? We have Target, we have Amazon LPNs, microwaves, or maybe mystery boxes. So it's good to get some variations for people to have options to buy. We'll see how quickly we sell through this. If we sell through it quick, we're buying the next one. But for now, it's selling, and then maybe we'll buy another one once we're done selling it. But yeah, we got them here. Super nice merchandise, and that's about it. But yeah, like, share, and subscribe to Nice Find Wholesale, and we could bring you more videos of 60 pallets.